in this step, we want to add our custom 3D models into the remote rendering system. At first, we have to go here in the UDS team and log into your dashboard. And after you download the UD stream for Windows and install it on your computer, you have to open it. You will see the same page like me in here, and you have to log in with your account. After you log in, you will see communicating with the server. Okay, we have connected to the server. Okay, I don't want to talk about the other options of UD stream because it is not about our subject. I want to talk about the convert to UDS. UDS is a specific format for 3D model to be able to stream by remote rendering, and we have to convert our 3D models to UDS. Now click on this one and return to the Unity editor. As you can see, I've used the 3D model of Mila Tower, but I want to add another 3D model with the higher quality and high size. In here, for example, I have a 3D model from Persepolis, Takht Jamshid in Iran, and it is higher than Mila Tower 3D model. It's about FBX is about 141 megabyte, and OBG with the old textures about 56 megabyte. It's perfect for us. Now let's see in here in converter, create neolocal, and in here add input file. In the Takht Jamshid OBG file, we click on OBG file of our 3D model. As you can see, it is the default options of the 3D model. I don't want to change them because the default options are perfect. We can see the point of resolutions in here and other things. Okay, the output name will be the Takht Jamshid UDS inside of that address. It is perfect for us. However, we can change it, but it's perfect for us. Let's to convert it to UDS file. It's done. It's about 7,150,030 points of our 3D model. It is very huge, and it's done. Let's see in the OBG folder. In here, we have a new 3D file. It's called takhtjamshid.uds. It's about 5 megabyte. It has been streamed by our specific format. Okay, the next step is we have to upload this UDS file to the one storage to be able to get the direct link from that file, then import it to the Unity. I propose to use usaupload.com. It is a very good website to be able to download upload your 3D file and get the direct link. It is free and fast, and it is very perfect for us. For example, I want to use this action and upload it to my storage, Takht Jamshid. The file is being uploading. Okay, it's done. Alright, let's come back to the Unity. As you can see, the Mila Tower in fact is an empty object, but it has only UDS model script with the link. In fact, the system is download the 3D model stream from this link and send it to the remote rendering. Then we can see the final result in our application. It doesn't matter, PC, Mac, Android, iOS, other platforms, it doesn't matter. For example, right now I don't have Mila Tower 3D model in my asset folder, but I can see it. I can change it, edit it, or anything I want. For other 3D model, Takht Jamshid, I want to duplicate this one and change it to Takht Jamshid. Okay. It's right now Milad Tower because the link of it is still Milad Tower. I remove it and come back to the my storage and go here, the sharing code, and it is a direct link. I have to copy and paste here. I put the Milad Tower in the left side. Perfect. Now let's see what will happen in here. It's try to download a 3D model of Takht Jamshid. It's done. Okay, as you can see, it is a very good quality, and now we want to add more 3D models in our scene. You can see we have 2 3D models with using the remote rendering. It means we can create a scene full of 3D models, but without any using the space, and only works with remote rendering. So I want to use another 3D model that I have uploaded in my storage. It's called Radio. Okay, let's copy the link. Okay. And we call it Radio, and in here copy the link of it. Okay. As you can see, we have a radio and Takht Jamshid and Milad Tower at the same time. So we can use another 3D models in our scene with this solution. Okay, in the next step we want to talk about a new method for demonstrate the 3D model. Right now, as you can see, the 3D models will appear when you launch the scene, and it is the automatic process. But perhaps we want to launch our 3D models whenever we want. So in the next step we will do this change in our scripts.